we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train. Please keep an eye on your feet. Mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
Safety, I do require that everybody's feet are inside the train until we come to a complete stop. Thank you.
Our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have stolen souvenirs, please take them over to your
I do need everybody to remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and I give you all clear to exit. Till then, please remain seated. And now we're all clear to disembark. Watch your head step as you exit. This is Main Street, USA.